Hey. Alright, welcome to question 1, WebAssign, evaluate the indefinite integral. Let's do this. I am going to put this up here, hoping that's alright angle. So, what we're going to do is we're going to get our u, because we're using u substitution. Now, one thing to be noted that I recently found out, your u value, when there's two similar degrees that vary by 1, your u value is always going to be the higher one. So that's why we pick the bottom, being 4 plus z to the 6th. Now, du, that's another thing we need, don't we? Yes. So du is going to be this, derived, the derivative of u, alright? So that is going to be 6z to the 5th. This 4 goes away, obviously. Cool, alright. Now, one thing I really want you to notice is that du is very similar to z to the 5th. The only real difference we've got at the moment is this 6. So, how do we get rid of that 6? Well, divide by both sides. 6, 6, bam. That leaves us with du over 6 equal to z to the 5th. Or, we can rewrite this as 1 to the 6th times du equals z to the 5th. Alright, so just a little recap. We've got our u, that was the bottom one because our degree is higher by 1. Du we found, which was the derivative of u. And to get du equivalent to our numerator position, well, not position, equation, we've just divided by 6. So here we are, 1 over 6 du equals z to the 5. We've got our u, which is equal to 4 plus 7 to the 6. Now let's just put these in. Let's sub them into our integral. So, 1 over 6 times du times dz. Now, we've got this little boy here, so we're going to be putting in our u, but then also to the 1/3 because of this cube root. And that is all in the integral. One handy trick, I'm not sure if you're aware of, you can actually pull this 1 over 6 in front of the integral, leaving us with du, u to the 1/3 times dz. That's all looking good. So, now let's just find the antiderivative. That's all we got to do now. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this u as u to the minus 1/3 times du times dz. See, what all I've done is I've brought this up here. This 1 over 6 stays out the front, don't worry about that. Now, because of these guys being derivatives, hence the d, we can actually just cancel both of them straight away. So now all we have is this u to the minus 1/3. That's all we have to anti-derive. So, what we're going to do here is u minus 1 to the 3 plus 1. Now 1 is equivalent to 3 over 3. So that is going to be u 2 over 3. Same thing with the division. It's minus 1 over 3 plus 1 equals u to the 2 over 3 over 2 over 3. Now, let's tidy this up a little bit. We've still got our 1 over 6, that's fine. Now we're going to make this 3 over 2, u 2 over 3. Okay, cool. So we can actually get rid of this integral now and just write 1 over 6 times 3 over 2 to the u to the 2, 3 exponents. So, this is pretty much our answer. I just would like to tidy it up a little bit. We can just multiply this fraction, which will actually give us 3 over 12 u 2 over 3. Now, I am going to simplify this fraction by making it 1 over 4 u 2 to the 3. That's looking great. Now, our last step, substitute u. That's the whole point, isn't it? U substitution. So what we're going to do is we're going to write 1 to the 4th times u, which is 4 plus z to the 6 to the 2/3. Now, I don't know if you can enter it like that. I entered it like 4 plus z to the 6, 2, 3 over 4. So if you enter it like that, that should definitely be right. Maybe that way, I don't know, try it if you want, but for guaranteed full 1 point, do it the other way. And yeah, that's all you got to do, bro. So I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, practice and enjoy.